learn more about colors. Fun with colors. This is the color blue. B-L-U-E, blue. This is the color yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. This is red. R-E-D, red. This color right here is green. G-R-E-E-N, green. This is violet. V-I-O-L-E-T, violet. This color is purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Next we have is pink. P-I-N-K, pink. This is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Now let's see which is the next color. We have brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Then we have the color grey. G-R-E-Y, grey. Next is the color black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And the last color on our list for the day is the color white. W-H-I-T-E, white. So now that you know all the basic colors, why don't you go ahead and try painting a picture? I hope you join us on our other fun adventures as well by checking out the videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.